Do you want to make videos without cameras, actors, or editing skills? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to generate videos from text using Runway AI for free. You'll see me do it step by step, live, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to make your own. This works even if you're a complete beginner, and it costs nothing to start. So stick around until the end, because I'll not only show you multiple prompts and results, but also how to download your clips and turn them into full videos. Let's jump in. Let's jump. First, let's set up. Go to runwaymail.com. You'll see a big button that says Get Started for free. Click that. Now, Runway lets you sign up with Google, Apple, or just an email. Super easy. When you finish, you'll get free credits. And that's enough to test out the text-to-video tool today. Here's a pro tip. Create your account with Google. It's faster and avoids password hassle. Now we're inside the dashboard. On the left, click AI Magic Tools. You'll see a bunch of options, but the one we want is text-to-video. This tool is like magic. You just describe what you want, and Runway generates a video clip for you. In the text box, type a description. For our first test, let's try something simple and fun. A cute cartoon raccoon dancing happily in a forest clearing daytime, colorful smooth motion animation style. We'll set the clip length to 4 seconds and keep the aspect ratio at 16. 9 for YouTube. Click Generate, and let's see what happens. And there it is. Our first AI video created just from text. Not bad, right? Now let's try a completely different style. This time I'll type, a futuristic city skyline at night with glowing neon lights, cinematic camera movement, sci-fi film style, ultra-realistic. Let's make this one 8 seconds long. Generate. Wait a few seconds, and boom, look at that. A cyberpunk-style clip straight out of a sci-fi movie. Again, no editing skills needed. Here's the real fun, experimenting with prompts. Let's try 3 quick variations so you can see what's possible. A majestic dragon flying through clouds, fantasy art style, painted animation, epic mood. A cozy coffee shop interior, morning sunlight streaming in, warm colors, cinematic film style. A robot playing guitar on a stage, spotlight, rock concert atmosphere, animated style. As you can see, every prompt gives us something totally unique. Some are realistic, some are cartoony, some feel cinematic. The trick is to be descriptive with your text. When you're happy with a result, it's time to save it. Click Download in the corner, and Runway will export your video. The free credits are enough to grab a few clips. You can later combine them into longer videos using free editors like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut. Let me share a few tips to get the best results. Always be descriptive. Instead of saying dog running, say a golden retriever running across a grassy field in slow motion, cinematic style. Play with styles. Animation, cinematic, photorealistic, fantasy art. Adjust clip length. Start short, then move up to 8 seconds. Think in scenes. Generate multiple short clips and later edit them into a full story. And that's it. You now know how to generate videos from text with Runway AI. No skills needed and completely free to start. We created a cartoon raccoon, a neon sci-fi city, a fantasy dragon, and even a robot rock concert, all from text prompts. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. I'll be sharing more tutorials on AI video, AI voices, and creative tools every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.